Hi, I'm Dustin.
I'm Alex.
We're from Eagle Dream Technologies. We're both RIT grads. We're excited to announce that we'll be hosting a DeepRacer event at RIT. This car right here, artificial intelligence, will be training AI models to race each other around the track. Everybody's invited. We encourage people from other schools besides RIT to come and participate. We can get some inter-school competition going.
It's going to be a great time. There's a really cool grand prize. I'm a huge fan of racing, so this kind of just fits for me. I love the DeepRacer event that we've done in the past, and the racing aspect is really cool. The grand prize is actually going to be a ticket to go to Watkins Glen and see some of the sports car racing that they do down there. So that's going to be really cool to check that out. So if you have any interest at all in trying to learn something about AI ML, you like racing, you want to combine those two things like I did, it's a great way to do it. So this is one of Amazon's DeepRacer cars. They're really cool actually. They're built off of what seems like just a regular RC car. There's actually a computer in there and a computer battery, and they make it pretty simple to just upload a model that you've trained on AWS, upload it onto this car, and then you're off to the races.
Yeah, and so it actually works off of using a deep lens camera. So deep lens is actually another AWS product that allows you to integrate with other services like recognition and do facial recognition. But in this case, we're using it to effectively interpret the environment, feed it to a model, and then adjust the steering and velocity accordingly.
The best thing that I can give as advice for anyone who wants to try this is to sort of experiment and iterate slowly. So you kind of want to start out with kind of the basics that Amazon gives you. They give you a lot of technologies out of the box, so you can just sort of get running and see what you can do. But then just start tweaking little parameters and different things about the function itself that you can write, or the hyperparameters that surround the AI and ML part of this.
Yeah, I mean, there's so much documentation out there about what people have done in the past, and people that have gotten really, really good lab times. So, taking that, maybe building off of that, and seeing if you can make slight adjustments to their programming and their models that will get you a better time. So this event is going to be held March 4th at RIT. You can sign up to participate. So we want people from MIT, we want people from U of R, obviously people from RIT, any college. We want you to sign up to compete. And then there's also links so that you can sign up to go and watch as well if you're just interested in what can be done.